Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve x times x minus x times x equal 100 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write x times x as x cube and this as x square equal 100. Now rearrange into standard form. So x cube minus x square minus 100 equals 0. Now factor out x square. It becomes x minus 1 minus 100 equals 0 or x square times x minus 1 equal 100. Now we will take approximation or trial method because this is not easily factorized. So I am taking x is equals to 2. So 2 square, 2 minus 1 is 4 times 1 which is 4. It's 2 small. So now text x is equals to 5. So 5 square, 5 minus 1, 5 square is 25 times 5 minus 1 is 4 and 25 times 4 is 100 which is equals to our right hand side. So our final answer is x is equals to 5. Sometimes with trial and approximation, we'll solve our answer very soon and the correct answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.